Alrighty, YouTube. I'm back at it again. I know it's been a long time. I haven't made a video in a while. But I'm actually working. But now that this job is coming to an end, I will start showing y'all my introduction to pipelining. Because you know I don't know nothing about it. But I was supposed to be picking up a machine this weekend. And my buddy Jones over there, who has been welding for 15 years, 10, 15 years. How many years you been welding? He's eating sunflower seeds. Come talk to the people. Come talk to the peoples. He's nerd. He's camera shy, y'all. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I got a couple scrap pieces of pipe. I'm at a campground down here in Alabama, and I'm gonna try to become a pipeline welder. You know, that's I've been pipe fitting for 4.5 years. 4.5. I think it's going on 5 years now, and yeah, pipeline is what I really want to do. So, James, what you want to say to the peoples? He don't want to talk to him no more.
Y'all eat my sunflower seed, y'all leave me alone.
All right.